Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 14.4 of class 8. So here you have given find and correct the errors in the given mathematical statements. So question number first we are doing. So we can see the solution we have given and we have to find the error if they have. So take first question, the left hand side, 4 is multiplied with the binomial. What it means that 4 is multiplied with x and 4 is multiplied with minus 5 also. So you will get 4x minus 4 5s are 20. But here we have given minus 5. This is incorrect. So this is the correction here. So there must be 20, right? Come to the second part. Second question, here you have given x multiplied to the binomial 3x plus 2. So you have to multiply this x inside the bracket with 3x and 2 separately. So 3x multiplied by x, that is 3x square, and x multiplied with 2 is 2x, but we here given only 2. So this is the error here. So there must be 2x, right? So you have to circle the error and write the correct form. Come to the third question. You can see 2x plus 3y. So x and y. Both the terms are unlike terms. So you cannot add them. So you can write them 2x plus 3y as it is. So 5xy is the wrong. Only the solution is 2x plus 3y. So you will circle 5xy, that is error, and you will write 2x plus 3y, that is, this is the correct form. Come to question number 4. Here you can see x plus 2x plus 3x we have given. All are like terms because having same algebraic factor. What do you mean by algebraic factor? Is the variable that is multiplied to the constant in the term. So here x one time 2 plus 3, that is 6x. But here we have given 5x. So we will circle 5x as the error and the correct form is 6x. Come to question number 5. You can see here 5y, 2y, y minus 7y, all are having same algebraic factor as y. So all are the like terms. So you can add and subtract them. So 5y plus 2y plus y, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 and 1, 8y minus 7y. If you subtract 7y from 8y, you will get only y. But we have given 0. So this is the error and this is the correct form. Come to question number 6. 3x plus 2x we have given 5x square. But what is given here? The student is multiplied the algebraic factor and added the coefficient. This is the wrong thing. This is wrong because 3x 2x both are like terms, both are having same algebraic factor x. So they can be add 3x plus 2x become 5x instead of 5x square. So this is the correct form and this is the error. Come to question number 7. You can see 2x whole square means 2 square and x square. 2 square is 4, x square you can write x square. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8x plus 7. So let us see, we have given here 2x square. This is incorrect form. Only 2 is wrong here. So you will circle only 2 because there must be 4 and all other terms are same. So only 2 is the error and the correct form is 4x square plus 8x plus 7. Come to question number 8. 2x square plus 5x we have given. Again 2 square x square we will do. 2 square is 4, x square is x square, right, and plus 5x. So here we have given 4x. Square is not given, so x square you will underline. Here x you will underline or circle. This is error. There must be x square and this is the correct form. So here we have given 9x. It is also wrong ultimately because here we must have x square. So 4x square plus 5x never be equal to 9x. This is also wrong. So you will circle this one also. Now come to question number 9. So here you have given that 3x plus 2 whole square. This is an identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let us compare a with 3x, b with 2. You will get a square, that is 3x square plus 2 square plus 2 into 3x into 2, right? So 3 square is 9, x square is x square, plus 2 square is 4, plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 6x. So let us compare to the right hand side. 6x is there, yes. 4 is there, yes. But there is 3x square we have given, but we must have 9. So 3 is wrong here. Circle 3 and write this correct form. Come to question number 10. Here we have given the value to substitute, that is x equal to 3. Okay, so if you put minus 3 in x square plus 5x plus 4, so yes, minus 3 square, instead of x you will just replace minus 3. So 5 into minus 3 and plus 4. If you do square of any term that is negative or positive, it will become positive. So correct, this is 3 square is 9. But when you multiply 5 with minus 3, you must have 5 3s are 15 and plus minus minus. So minus first 15 must be there instead of positive 2. So this is the error. You will circle 2 and write the correct form as 9 minus 15 plus 4, that is equal to 13 minus 15, that is equal to minus 2. So this is the correct form you will write. Circle 2 and write the correct form. Come to B part. Here also x square we have given, minus 3 square, minus 5 into minus 3 and plus 4. You know, minus 3 square is 9. Yes, it is correct. When you multiply a negative number to the negative number, it becomes positive. So there must be positive 15, right? So you will circle this minus sign, because only this minus sign is wrong here. So this is wrong. This is the correction in this solution, and the correct form will be 9 plus 15 plus 4, and if you add you will get 13 plus 15, that is equal to 28, right? So this is the correct form, and circle this minus 1. Now C part, x square plus 5x we have given. We will replace x by minus 3. Yes, it is correct. And if you do minus 3 square, that must be positive 9. So this is wrong and minus 15 is right. So the only correction is in this statement is minus 9, right? And the correct form will be 9 minus 15, that is minus 15 minus 9 is minus 6, right? So this is the correct answer. So for that's all for the day. Thank you.